Show how to clean the crabs, and here are my crabs, blue crabs and the other crab. So just take this and take this all and open this. Then just this, you can just clean this and use this, boil that, and here it is. Remove all this thing, and we have to wash it, okay, properly, and then chop this into two. You can cut this all like this, and just chop this into two if you want two. And here it is. So easy. One more I'll do, and take the crab, catch here, and just open up this two, and here. Hope you will enjoy cleaning the crabs at home and do it quickly. If like sometimes they are not available to clean this, then it's just simple. Get the crabs, wash them nicely, and just take away all this thing. And some people like to keep this, so you'll keep this, or you can just remove all this, wash this, and just take out in your hand. And you can use for curry. This will give you more taste. And then chop it into two. So I've showed you how to clean the crab. Thank you. Welcome to Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या cooking channelचेर. आनी आमच्या गोंयान आतां नुस्त्याचो season, and we get different types of fish, fresh fish from the sea, right from our Kalangut, or it will be South Goa, Benaulim, to Kolva, to Shikerim, all over Baga. So let's make the best, because we love fish, Goan, and every day we love our fish curry, rice at home, or whether it is any other fish, seafood. So today I'm come up with our Kurleoche again, and it is Kurleoche kodi. So I have taken a piece of Kurleoche and rest of all this. And what you have to do before putting it in curry, just see that you crush this. I've already done that, so it's easy when you are eating it. So one is here, not yet, I've kept to show. So this is like again 1 kg of crabs, and of 1 kg of crabs, whatever I got this, and I've taken 2 of this. So you can take how much you have crabs. So now what I was saying, just give a nice like this, and so it's easy to take out the meat when you are making the curry. Otherwise your teeth might get damaged. Restaurant, they don't give actually like this. Yeah, so it's easy to do that. Mostly all are done. This was remaining. Sometimes it is very hard to cut it. So now let's do. So my crabs are all ready. Now to make curry, we'll give this aside. We'll put some salt, okay, to little bit of salt. so it has a flavor also, salty flavor. And put aside. The next what we need is for our curry. I've taken around 4 Kashmiri chilies, and these are our Goan chilies. So I've taken it around 9 of Goan button chilies, half onion, and around 10 flakes of garlic. Then 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and tamarind. And this is 1 small coconut. So it is like 100 grams, but it is like 1 small coconut, grated coconut. Then what we need is 1 onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies slitted. We have to slit this. Few curry leaves, and this is like 1 big tomato and our tefa. So this is all what we need for our curry. I love fish curry. Who doesn't love? So let's grind this all into a fine paste. Watch my other videos on fish curry. It is not always the same, it's different. Here is our masala paste is ready, and let's make now curry. Okay. So we'll take 1 teaspoon of oil, very less oil. And we'll fry. Let's start. So 1 teaspoon of oil, and we'll put our curry leaves. And we'll put our onion. This. Let our tomato. It will get little bit of soft. We'll add salt over here at this point. And now at this point we will add our crabs and saute it little along with that water which is there. Saute it for a while. On high flame. Now we will add a masala to this. And water. Mix this nicely. Make the flame slow, and we will add 2 cups of water. I will add a water. 2 big full cup of water, and we will give a boil for 5 minutes. Check the salt. Yes, and we will add our tefa also in this now. And our chilies. We'll cover this and cook this for on medium flame 5 minutes. So now we are getting a boil, so we'll keep it open and cook this for another 2-3 minutes. And here our curry is ready. The crabs is cooked. The legs are cooked. So see the color is changed. Okay. Once the color changes, it doesn't take long for crab, prawns and all. So hope you all will enjoy this, our crab curry, that is seafood curry. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen. Curries, we Goans love our fish seafood curry and we can have it every day in our eyes. That's why we are called Goan. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. Gas closed. Done. Thank you.
Here we are, Kurleoche kodi, Goan crab curry. Enjoy.